Have you ever seen a drone flying and didn't know what it was capable of doing? Or perhaps you were intrigued by what it was capable of, or perhaps scared of what it was capable of. Ever since man took to the skies, man has debated over the ownership of airspace. In the early 1940s, a couple sued the United States military for flying planes close to the ground, disturbing their sleep and causing the chickens on their farm to die from being scared of the planes. This case was eventually heard by the United States Supreme Court, which upheld both parts of the debate. The justices ruled that planes have a right of transport as the air is a public thoroughfare, but aircraft that flew close enough to the ground did violate private property as if they were intruding by way of conventional entry. This prompted laws regarding safety and efficacy of flight to Congress and the establishment of the Federal Aviation Administration. The debate of ownership of airspace was considered fairly settled until drones became commonplace. Two large concerns of drones for lawmakers were outdoor sporting events where drones could crash or deploy weaponry into large crowds, as well as potentially spying. In 2017, with updates in early 2021, the FAA introduced rules and regulations for drone pilots to allow them to fly in certain areas with prior authorization. These rules include prohibition of operating from a moving vehicle, flying at night, interfering with manned aircraft, and operating near airports. These rules also allow for flying during the day, within line of sight, and suggestions for flying with visual observers. Finally, the FAA ruled that while drones can fly over private property, drones should fly professionally and courteously to those on the ground and their